we got another one of these trucks for scrap. So a lot of you guys were messaging me about parts off it. Get a hold of me. There's plenty of parts that are for sale. I had guys messaging me, asking me to ship parts to like Nebraska. Get a hold of me. I got a fresh one, a little newer. But with this thing here, it is gonna go to scrap. The box is not gonna come off. So that means this whole box can be filled up with pieces off scrap cars. So what am I gonna do? Well, I got this little Toyota Echo over here. And you know, it's a very boring car. It's not really that fast. It's pretty light, but I think if I make it lighter, it might become faster. So we got Rivers Race coming up here in about a month. So I figure we might as well start making this lighter. And the tool that we're gonna use to get this thing lighter is a Sawzall blade. Because I put out there saying that these Sawzall blades are super expensive in Canada. A lot of you American buddies there offered to mail me a free Sawzall blade. I greatly appreciate that. But I actually went out and spent $200 on Sawzall blades because I'm a giant idiot. So, nonetheless, let's start making this thing lighter and much cooler. Well, apparently some idiot pulled the e-brake and now the rear tires are seized. So now we have to work on that because you definitely can't win a race by digging holes everywhere. But let's make this thing lighter. If we make it lighter over the back end, maybe that will help with the e-brake situation already. So let's get going. So my plan is to basically cut the window out and not break it because I'm on dirt and I don't want to clean it. I ended up moving the car over here, so then that way I don't have to walk so far to put everything in the truck. I want to leave enough of the roof left to fold it down to act as a backing plate because this car is going to be raced, and I almost rolled a car last year, so if I roll this one I kind of want some roof left. Not much of a roof, but just some roof. So yeah, my plan is to pretty much just cut tight to the window across there. It'll be hard to follow that squiggly line, so I might try to make it a little straighter. I'm going to come down the A-pillars and then across here on top of the tail lights. I might keep some of the trunk, maybe just cut it, weld it back into place. I'm not 100% sure about that yet, but the first thing I'm probably going to do is hack off the trunk, and we can go from there. So let's kind of go into this and see how well it turns out. Got the back window out without actually breaking it. This will probably be one of the very first and only times I've ever got a back window out of a doobie car without breaking it. There's still some wires attached though. Maybe now it'll break. Don't talk negative like that, Zach. Like, geez. I think I went through some of the wiring. I mean, one of those might be fuel pumps. They might be some important fuses, but we'll figure that out. That's about 100 pounds. There. It's already lighter. Maybe it's a little heavier, but I'm okay with that right now. Oh my god, I'm sweating so bad. I can't see. Still quite a bit more that we got to take out here. So I'd like to cut the tops of the doors. I'd like to fold the roof, take out all this. That's just a sharp edge asking to get hurt. Let's keep cutting. Look at that. One Sawzall later, we have ourselves a custom pickup truck that can pretty much take any amount of weight that I want to feel like throwing in there. You know what? This is a great idea. I don't know why I didn't do this months ago, even years ago. The door's still open, so that way if you need to like put lighter stuff in there like groceries, but you can put the heavy, oh, just had a little bit of a kerfuffle shutting that, that's okay. And then the tailgate, here, it opens and closes, just have to come up with a little bit better system. It just kind of comes off when you open it. But you know, you just click it right back in there. There, and she stays. There's a little bit of sharp edges, and you know, we may have kind of cut through a major harness here of some kind and just kind of put all the grounds to one spot. I don't know which grounds the fuel pump, but she still runs. Oh buddy, she runs better than ever. And look at all that wheel clearance that we got going on there. So we're getting there. It's getting lighter and lighter for Rivers Race. I bet you we cut about 400 pounds out of this car. So it's getting lighter. And now it's actually useful. It's a pickup truck. A Toyota Echo and a Tacoma. Or just a Toyota Echo and a truck. A trucko? This is my trucko. Thanks everybody for watching. Now we can get ready to start maybe taking some of these sharp, dangerously sharp edges away. Next video, and just kind of pounding stuff over and trying to make it a little bit more user friendly. But I do like that you can still open the doors. It hasn't folded in half yet. I was getting a little nervous cutting right here because I thought the struts came all the way up here like a Toyota Camry or Corolla, but they don't. They're just way down there like a Cavalier, an old Cavalier. So now everything's probably going to go to shit as soon as I start racing this, but I'm okay with that. I'm there to have fun. I'm not there to win. That's why I'm bringing the slowest car known to man.